Yesterday we had a drop in value for the gold against US dollar. We can see that the yesterday candle has been closed as a bearish candle, and compared to yesterday analysis, I mentioned that it's very important to see where the price will make a breakout. Will it be a bullish breakout above this area, or it will be a bearish breakout below 2775 price level? During the day on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, we could see that the price was trying to make a bullish breakout, but then suddenly the price has dropped significantly because of the bad sentiment, because of the bearish sentiment on the market. The price formed a bearish breakout below 2775, and we can see the next stop where the price has stopped is this area here, a demand zone around 2737.11. The area that I have mentioned that the price could reach was around 2758, and this area was starting is also 2750. The price has strongly moved down, but we can see that yesterday here a support level, which is the demand zone, has held, which means the price did not manage to make a breakout here below, which would indicate further decline in value. So for now, for the daily, we can see that for the daily time frame, the price has formed this bearish candle with stop here, and it is currently has bouncing from this support and it's heading higher. What the price will do today? Well, it's very important to see, will the price manage to stay above or it will break below? If we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see that we are still in the bullish mode. This is a bullish candle formed here with a large wick on the upper side. So it's very important to see the price not going below 2721, which is a very important support level. 2721 is around area here, which is the lower side. We can see that 2721 and also 2715 is the area that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling even further down. So it's very important to see what the price will do today, because for now what we can see is bouncing from the support level here to the upper side up to where the price could bounce is probably an area around this one 2758, and the next one is here 2775, which was very important support level in the past. Now it will be a very important resistance for the price to move higher, or below that it will be 2737, a support level, a strong one, which needs to hold the price from falling further down. Today is a Friday. It's also very important to remember that at the end of the week traders get out, log their profits, so this could be also trigger the movement in the opposite direction compared to some kind of a breakout that happens in the before the noon, and especially what happens in the afternoon. So let's see what happens today. For now I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave around the support level, and will it make a bullish or bearish breakout on the lower time frames like a 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. This is all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.